Okay, for this tutorial, I'm going to go through the assignment of DNS round robin testing, and you'll get to see how I would have done it. So first I need to create a network. I'm going to call it dude. And then I need to create two containers. So I'm going to run them in the background. And I don't actually care about their names. So I'm just going to run the network and attach them to dude. And then I'm going to do a net alias so I can find them with the DNS name search. And then there we go. Now, because I'm not specifying a name, I can actually just hit the up arrow and type the exact same command again. And I should get both of those containers. Now, I didn't open any ports because all we need to do is test inside of this virtual network. And you'll notice that there's exposed ports, which we'll talk about later in the next section. But exposed ports are listed in the Docker file, and they're always exposed in the virtual network. And it's only necessary to use the -p when we want to actually publish those ports to the outside interface of our host. And we're not doing that here, so I can skip that part. So now I need to run a test to make sure I can get to both of these with the same DNS name. So Docker container run, and I'm going to do this the easy way by doing a --rm on alpine ns lookup search. Oops. Net dude. So this should run the ns lookup command on the search DNS entry and then immediately exit. And then it'll clean itself up with the --rm. All right, there we go. I have two DNS entries. And for the next one, Docker container run rm net dude CentOS curl with a -s on search 9200. All right, that'll get me back the Elasticsearch server named Interloper. And if I run it again, I get the other one, Mr. M. And you'll notice that there's also a unique ID for each one of these, and that if I hit the up arrow and run this command over and over, it's not exactly going to be even Steven here. It's going to be a little random. You see two in a row and that sort of thing. And that's just indicative of DNS round robin due to things like name caching and whatnot. And if I do a Docker container, container ls, so I can actually remove these. I'm going to force them. And there we go.